In a vibrant jungle nestled deep within an exotic land, there resided a clever monkey named Maya. Maya possessed an extraordinary talent for crafting intricate tools and devices from the natural resources around her. She was known throughout the jungle for her cleverness and her ability to solve problems using her creations. One day, a great calamity struck the jungle. A massive storm swept through, leaving a path of destruction in its wake. Trees were uprooted, nests were torn apart, and chaos enveloped the once serene landscape. The animals were left distraught, unsure of how to rebuild their homes and lives. Amidst the despair, Maya's agile mind kicked into action. She knew she had the power to make a difference, to bring hope to her fellow creatures. Gathering her tools, Maya ventured out to assess the damage and devise a plan to restore the jungle to its former glory. Using her sharp intellect and keen eye, Maya began gathering fallen branches, leaves, and vines. She ingeniously designed a blueprint for a communal shelter that could house the animals until their individual homes could be rebuilt. With her nimble fingers and steady determination, she constructed the shelter, providing a safe haven for all. But Maya didn't stop there. She recognized that the animals needed sustenance as well. With her cleverness, she fashioned traps to catch fish in the nearby river and devised a system for collecting rainwater to ensure a constant supply of fresh drinking water for everyone. Maya's resourcefulness and ingenuity inspired the other animals. They saw the passion and dedication she poured into her work and realized that they too could contribute to the recovery efforts. Together, they formed a united front, each animal utilizing their unique abilities to repair the jungle. As days turned into weeks, Maya's creations multiplied. She built bridges to help the monkeys swing from tree to tree, constructed platforms for birds to build new nests, and even devised a pulley system to transport heavy logs for the beavers' dam. Maya's inventions transformed the once devastated jungle into a thriving ecosystem once more. News of Maya's remarkable feats spread far and wide. Animals from distant lands flocked to witness her ingenuity firsthand. Maya, with her humble heart, shared her knowledge and skills, teaching others how to use the available resources to their advantage. In time, the jungle not only recovered but flourished, stronger than ever before. The animals lived harmoniously, forever grateful for Maya's cleverness and the hope she had restored. Maya became a legendary figure, her name whispered with reverence among the creatures of the jungle. To this day, Maya's legacy lives on. Her story is passed down from generation to generation, inspiring young monkeys to embrace their own cleverness and use their talents to make a positive impact on the world around them. Maya, the clever monkey, forever remains a symbol of resilience, ingenuity, and the transformative power of creativity.